As you can see guys, I'm preparing for something kasi tomorrow I'm about to meet Lay para mag-listening party kami for Drake's new album, Iceman. And I'm really so excited about that kasi ang tagal namin hindi nagkita talaga.
Yan. Sinakay niyo yan.
Blow on me just like some green tea, baby.
Like sling. Hey guys, so we're walking and we're going to somewhere. So ang layo ng ikot namin. Nag-order sila guys. Mickey is about to try the strawberry waffle. Rate it.
Reach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me.
Very early today guys, kaya kinain ko itong tira kong matcha donut from Pande Manila kasi wala na akong time kagabi, pagod na ako, kaya as you can see super dumi ng kwarto ko, kaya naisipan kong linisin na kasi ang aga ko naman nagising. So it's time to be productive today, so let's go and clean with me.
Like with background sound.
On a break, back in a paano namin na filter.
Ay!
Look at this screen.
Hindi ko nabasa ng ano namin. Ang pangit. Like, parang
Taba ito lang.
Baby, I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby.
Finally, with my best friend Yana. So I can change this. This. Alam niyo guys, may hindi nakakatuwang nangyari sa akin. So, harap kasi ako umupo ng jeep. And then, nung pababa na ako, yung sakto umuulan. Nahulog yung perfume ko. I thought, yung takip lang ng perfume ko nahulog. Like, ito. And then, pagkababa ako, syempre mag-perfume ulit ako kasi to freshen up, nandun ako sa destination. Takip na lang yung natira. Nakita kasi ng driver doon. Takip lang. So, I thought, hindi rin naman mahulog yung perfume. Kasi, they both heavy eh. Dalawa silang nahulog guys. Super sayang.
Hey Johnny, shut the fuck up.